how to create extensions in SquareSpace. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to teach you how you can create or use extension in SquareSpace. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click on settings over here on the left side. After that, you're going to scroll down a bit and you're going to look for this option over here, all extensions, under third-party tools. Now over here, you would be able to check out all the different extensions available for SquareSpace. You have business tools, finance, inventory and product, sales and marketing, and shipping and fulfillment over here. You would be able to choose from all of these different extensions and add them to your SquareSpace website. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.